In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable PayPal in Shopify. If you sell products through your Shopify store, adding PayPal can make checkout faster and more familiar for many customers. In the next few moments, you will connect PayPal to your Shopify admin so you can start accepting payments. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Take a moment to make sure you are signed into the correct store, because the payment settings you are about to change will apply to that specific shop. When you are in the admin area, look for the navigation controls that are typically located along the left side of the screen. Next, click Settings. In most Shopify admin layouts, this is represented by a gear icon in the bottom left corner. Clicking Settings opens a menu where you can manage your store-wide configuration. Go ahead and click that gear icon now, and pause briefly to confirm the settings page has loaded. Once you are in Settings, click Payments. This section is where Shopify handles the payment providers you want to use. When you open Payments, you may see options related to payment methods and provider integrations. Pay attention to the PayPal section on this page because that is where the activation step will be located. Now find the option to activate PayPal Express Checkout in the PayPal section and click it. This step is important because it starts the PayPal connection process between your Shopify store and your PayPal account. After you select it, Shopify will begin directing you through the necessary PayPal authorization flow. After clicking Activate PayPal Express Checkout, you will be asked to enter your PayPal business email address. Type in your PayPal business email address carefully, then click Next. This tells PayPal which account you want to connect, so double-check that the address matches the PayPal account you intend to use for receiving customer payments. Next, on the PayPal login screen, enter your PayPal password. Be sure to enter it correctly, following any on-screen prompts that appear as part of the login process. This step is where PayPal verifies that you have access to the account you are linking to Shopify. After you enter your login details, Shopify and PayPal will display an authorization prompt. In the final connection step, click Allow PayPal to connect in Shopify. This approval is what completes the link, confirming that PayPal can act as a payment method for your store. Take a moment here to make sure the prompt is referring to connecting PayPal within Shopify, and then proceed by clicking Allow. Once you complete the authorization, you should return to the Shopify Payments area and see that PayPal Express Checkout has been enabled. If you do not see it immediately, wait a few moments and refresh the page. Sometimes the connection status updates shortly after authorization, especially when network requests finish. To finish up, review your payment settings to ensure PayPal is listed as an active option. While you are doing this, it is also a good idea to confirm that the rest of your checkout payment preferences still look correct, since you are enabling a new provider. And that covers everything you need to know. You have now enabled PayPal in your Shopify store and connected PayPal Express Checkout so customers can pay using PayPal during checkout.